Hi there, you guys. This is Jenny with Planner Perfect. It's that time again each month where I do a planner and journal subscription box reveal for those that are just too eager to wait. The first one for fall. Stay tuned.
I'm blinded by your light when you're close to me. I'm blinded by your light when you're close to me, close.
Hey guys, we're ready for the September sub box reveal. This is a monthly journal and planner subscription box. And if you're new to me, welcome, because this is a game changer and a life changer for sure. Click up on the link up here at the link at the top and for videos to get you started. So this just represents party, right? I mean, it's time to open up something amazing that's going to definitely change your life. It's here, your monthly subscription kit, plan, journal, create, write a better story. So all of our planners and journals, I love this because this is the beginning of fall. This was a fun one. This was the first one for me to paint and create something for you guys that represents fall. And I hope I did you justice. I hope that you girls are pleased. So we protect them with these beautiful little protective bags here. And here it is, without further ado, the September monthly planner. I painted this with acrylics. You'll find the same in the back. And this is your monthly planner to write your goals, set your goals, and to write a better story. And the journal where it is to be filled up for the whole month it says me time. And I just thought she turned out amazing. I love everything about her cup. This was also done in acrylics, and I just love everything about her. And I hope you girls love her too, because this is where you're going to be spending a lot of time every day, where you are really writing out your desires, you're scripting them, you're writing out some gratitude, you're doing some brain dumping perhaps of where you are and where you want to go. And you know, in the Planner Perfect community, we don't stay focused on the things unwanted, but rather always on the things wanted, keeping that feeling good vibe very ever present, because we're focused on the good, knowing and having faith and hope in God. And so here are the two books. I just think that they turned out good, you guys. And I hope that you guys absolutely love them, girls. These are just for you, honestly, just hand painted for you. And I know that these are going to inspire you every time you open them up to script your life and script your dreams. So let's keep moving on. So we have the planner and the journal, okay? And then we have the washi for this month. Now, I will say, now each of you will get one of these. So we get all three of them, and then we break them apart. So some will get a lavender, an orange, or a deeper purple here. But I thought that these were really, really beautiful, quite frankly. Kind of like a brown gold with some pinks, and we got gold foil leaves, some hearts that are brown copper, or a copper heart, I should say. And then we've got the plum and the orange and like the lavender. I just thought it was super, super beautiful and just gorgeous. Now, I will have to say for next month, we are using and going back to my artwork. So you might not get as much washi, but it is one of a kind. So my artwork will be represented on the washi beginning in October's. So I hope that you will, and that's for about 1 billion requests. So I've gone ahead and we are bringing back my washi from a better company that the tape is like really, really good and sticks good. That was the problem we had before. So bringing back my own washi, and we're happy to bring it back starting in October. But this is it for September's, and I thought it was really, really gorgeous. So here are your tip-ins, okay? And they come in this little protective plastic sleeve, and you get 2 of each. So you get 6 different pieces of artwork that are just absolutely, I feel like they're gorgeous to be able to write inspirational things on the back, extra notes, extra dreams, quotes. You can give them and hand them out. They're endless for what you can use for these, and very good, high quality cardstock that really represents my artwork well. So here we have fall written on here, on these apples, and Wreath, and I just thought that turned out so good, just representing fall. Oh my gosh. Of course, we put the cute girl. You get 2 of her. I just don't think you can even get enough of these, quite frankly. I use them all of the time. This is a throwback, and I love to bring back my artwork onto the tip-ins because for obvious reasons. And honestly, this one hasn't been in our boxes for years. So brought back this colorful number. This is also on our, you can get this on journals as well and planners. But as a tip-in, first time in years. So very representative of fall, I thought. Brought this beauty back. Harvest. That's what I love about bringing back them. It's just like, oh, here they are again. So some beautiful representations of fall from before, and then of course new. I love this sunflower. Also available in the store, and of course more apples. This was an apple I did years ago in acrylics, and we brought it back to put on tip-ins. So there are your tip-ins that are just so fun and represent fall even more. And then we've got our stickers, which guys, girls, I just think these stickers turned out so good. You're gonna absolutely love them for September. Look at them. Just representative of just fall, of course. And you get 2 of each. Honestly, I don't think you can get enough stickers, but let's look at this one first. We've got Welcome Fall, we've got bees, we've got leaves, my heirloom. This is all my artwork if you're new. Of course, our studious owl for school starting back up. We got acorns. We took the teacup out of here, photoshopped her out, and made her a sticker, and I'm in love. So, of course, coffee. These are just, I love bringing these, some of the old with the new. We've got the fall wreath, and I'm really liking the rectangular stickers. I think that they're gorgeous. We've got the tree. I don't even know if it's been a sticker, so I was excited to bring this one back. We've got some of my very beautiful fall flowers, leaves again, apples, again, little, and of course I like this, you know, we've got the apples up at the top, got leaves up at the top on this one if you ever wanted to use this Planner Fix sticker, you know, throw it on your car. Anyways, you guys, look at Hello Fall. I mean, check it out. I mean, honestly, girls, I hope you're in love with our kickstart to fall planning with these journals, planners, washi, stickers, tip-ins. You guys, it's fall all over the place. To dive in, plan your dreams, get your cup of coffee out every morning and plan your life and script out a life you love. Girls, happy fall, happy reveal. These are getting shipped out to your door. Coming up within days here, we're shipping them. Girls, until next time, and let me know, girls, let me know in the comments below what you think of this box that's kicking off fall. Just let me know. And be sure to, if you're new, like and subscribe, where I'm gonna have inspirational planning tips, lifestyle tips, and more, so that you can write a better story on this channel. So please like and subscribe, and until next time, bye you guys.